In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads on a small budget and still get big results. Whether you're a small business owner or someone just looking to make the most out of your advertising dollars, this guide is tailored for you. We'll walk through everything you need to know to get started effectively without breaking the bank. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Ads. The platform offers a robust set of tools designed to help you get more customers and boost your sales through online advertising. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the site. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features because understanding the platform is the first step to success. Next, locate the sign in button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but if you do, go ahead and log in. It's essential to have your account properly set up because this is where you'll manage all your ad campaigns. Make sure your personal and billing information is accurate and up to date to avoid any disruptions once your ads are live. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This dashboard is your control center where you'll track, manage, and adjust your ad campaigns as needed. Now, from here, find the campaign option in the menu. Clicking on it will bring you to a page where all your past and current campaigns are listed. This is where the magic happens. To begin a new advertising journey, click on New Campaign. This will kick off the process, opening doors to a suite of options tailored to different business goals. You can choose from a variety of campaign types, whether you're looking to increase website traffic, generate more leads, or boost brand awareness. It's all possible with Google Ads. The choice here is based on what you aim to achieve with your advertising efforts. But here's the crucial tip. Focus on high intent campaigns. These are designed to target users who are most likely to take action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. By concentrating your efforts here, you'll stretch your budget further, ensuring that every dollar spent is working to bring in the best possible results. This approach is particularly effective for those working with limited funds, but aiming for significant impact. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing successful Google Ads campaigns on a small budget. Remember, the key is to focus, track, and adjust your campaigns as you learn more about what works best for your business. With time and patience, you'll see the results you're striving for. Now go ahead and start making those ads work for you.